Alright guys, I'm down at the boat ramp again now. Yeah, gonna try and go crabbing today. I usually don't have much luck in Cairns. I haven't really caught a crab at all, a legal one here. I usually do well everywhere else, but yeah, no shocking to this place, but I'll give it a go. Also, we got some views with the videos we've been putting up, so thanks for watching. Kinda didn't expect any, so yeah, cheers. I'll show you some crabs hopefully. Alright guys, I just dropped off the last pot. She's right down there. I don't think there's any chance I'll be able to get much further up here. I'll see how this pot goes. I might decide to go up, but look at that. In high tide I wouldn't have seen that, would have plonked straight into it. But yeah, while you're out there doing these crab emissions, like most of you know there's a lot of products out there like Bushman's and Aerogard. Most of them I don't seem to find work apart from the high deep Bushman's, which is it's carcinogenic as well. So, but I read one day, I think it was a crabbing page on Facebook. Yeah, a guy recommended mixing like a 50-50 mix of baby oil and dead oil. So, and I tried it one day. I walked into mangroves just like this, and I was kind of looking for crabs in the mangroves, and I tried it, and yeah, it worked awesome until I sweated it off. That's the worst thing about being in North Queensland. It's so hot. But yeah, but apart from that, it worked great for the first 20 to half an hour. I've tried it ever since in the boat and it's worked really well. So yeah, that's all I use. It's just a bit of baby oil. It doesn't matter which one. I just bought a cheap one. Dead oil. Dead oil is expensive as, but it makes a lot. So and then yeah, just mixed it up into that. Mix the solution. Put the cap on. Give it a shake. And no joke, works so well. There you go. Looks like poison. But when you get eaten so bad, like in these areas, you don't really care, honestly. There's also one more thing I just wanted to add to. There is one thing that works better than everything, and that is straight mangrove mud. And no joke, I've had to do it before. It's disgusting, it's dirty, and it's shocking in the bathtub, but I've had mozzies and mosquitoes that bad before. Alright, as I was waiting here, tiny little mud crab right there. I don't know if you'll be able to see him. Just chilling right there. Male too. So hopefully a bit of luck. This pot that I'm sitting on right now have a muddy chewing on it. I would usually go fishing and stuff, but there's not much. It's going to be painful coming in and out. It's going to get too dark soon, so I'm going to. This is just a quick mission up this creek to see if there's any crabs. Well, give me a sign. I'm just doing reconnaissance right now at the moment, really, finding my spots. And wherever I've been, this is how I've done it. I'll just spread my pots, and I'll try open creeks. I'll go to mouths, and then if I'm still unlucky kind of thing, I'll go right up as far as I can in creeks. Just find out where they're hiding. So it's looking promising right now, so fingers crossed. News! I actually finally caught a crab, and I was on the one. I was only in there for like half an hour. I don't even think it was that, 25 minutes. It's definitely illegal. I wish I could stay here, but I've got to shoot out of this spot, but it's good that I know where to get some muddies at least. So yeah, cheering. Also, the tag that was in my pot, I pulled it out if anyone's noticed it's not in there, because the bloody thing came off, so should be going back in there. Also another tip, if you're in North Queensland and stuff, pull out your pots with a gaff or an oar, whatever you got. Do not go near that bloody water. It's freakish. How many crocs are around now? It's scary. There's even one at the boat ramp, just taunts everybody. There you have it, North Queensland buck. Cheering. About time I got one of these suckers. Been way too long. Right, another tip as well, if you to check if they're full or not, press. I can't show you, I need someone to be here, But right next to the triangle there, also that triangle is the tail. It is a male. The rounded edge triangle is a female. We can't keep the females in Queensland. But yeah, if you press in there, try and get my finger right in there, and also under the claw. If it's squishy, just throw it back. It's not even worth keeping, unfortunately. But yeah, this fella's gold, and be eating him. It'll show you a catch and cook too. So scored. Should have started YouTube a while ago, actually catching stuff. Sweet. Also, forgot one thing. A lot of guys tie the crabs up here. I like to just put them to sleep. But you chuck them onto my ice, and they yeah, pass straight out after a few minutes. So yeah, thought I'd show you that one too. Alright guys, here's the crab from last night. I didn't end up getting any more. I'll just show you how to put them out of their misery. Maybe keep them asleep in the esky. Shouldn't film too easy, I think. Just hold open his triangle here. Try not to cut your finger off. Use a strong knife. He hasn't even moved at all. Slice it straight down the middle. And that's it. And then pull open his carapace. And these are his gills. See, he hasn't even budged the whole time. So yeah, make sure you pull all this off. We're down at Tenerife today as well. I'm going to do another video. Chase isn't happy about me filming. And you don't want to cook this yellow stuff either, you want to get rid of it. Most of it. It's pretty much his gizzards. Alright Naomi, what's in it again?
Vinegar, garlic, butter. Vinegar, garlic, butter. What did I miss?
Lemon.
Oh, and lemon. And then you just cook it on the barbecue. Hey guys, we finished cooking. We've got the crab all ready now. Justin's already taken a bite out of it. How was it?
It was really nice. Even those crabs coming out.
That's it there. The crab, prawns, artichokes. Yeah.